So many Hot Wheels. What's up, YouTube? Didn't think I'd be making a video this soon, but I am, so that's good. So, we got an update on the Jeep. I know the last video I told you guys I had to fix it, I had to pay for it, which was the case and still kind of is. But that being said, I did call the warranty company. They did say if I wanted to cancel it, I had to follow up with the dealership that I bought the Jeep at, which is where I bought the warranty at. So I left them a voicemail 2 days ago, the dealership, for the finance department. Didn't hear back from them. So today I decided to go in to talk to somebody. That way they were forced to talk to me so I could get the warranty canceled. And lo and behold, I go there. I know one of the managers, so that was just kind of nice to catch up after a couple years of owning the Jeep. But let him know what was going on. I was like, hey man, I'm here to cancel my warranty because part of the motor broke and the warranty company's not covering it because there's a performance throttle body on the Jeep, so they don't want to touch anything. So he was like, hold on a second, let me go talk to the finance manager. Went and talked to him for a few minutes, came back, and he said, you know, we have this particular Jeep dealership is specific to this warranty company, so the dealership that my car is at now doesn't work with this warranty company. Only the dealership that I bought the car from, I guess, is one of the only Jeep dealers in the area that works with the warranty company. So I don't know if each individual dealership gets to pick what warranty companies they use, like third-party warranty companies. If that's all like based on what the owner wants or whatever. I don't think it's a Jeep. Like Jeep itself doesn't have deals with these warranty companies. I think it's the dealerships. But that being said, he's like, you know what? Let me get your phone number. So I gave him my phone number. Everything was already in the system. He goes, we actually have a really, really good relationship with this warranty company. So I'm gonna call our contact at that company and I'm gonna fight with them to try and get that overturned so we can get your Jeep fixed under warranty. So that's a good thing. Don't know if that's gonna happen or not, but at least somebody's doing something. So that's the update I have for you guys today. Not a very long video. Just wanted to tell you guys that there's a possibility that I'm getting the Jeep fixed under warranty, even though I was already told by the warranty company. They said no, but the dealership's gonna try and do what they can, the place I bought it from. So yeah, so we'll see what happens. So warranty company, still not a fan of, but the Jeep dealership, I am a fan of, for at least fighting to try and, you know, do something, because that's $3,400 is not a little amount of money. I mean, for me, that's a lot. Financially right now, I don't have that. So, and I'm still waiting on my tax return, which is awesome. Government, if you'd love to, just drop me an address. I can just come by and pick it up. You don't have to mail it to me. That's fine. But just want to give you guys that. And I don't know. I want to kind of show you guys this sort of little thing I got going here. So I've been slowly collecting some random Hot Wheels cars. Just because I'm a little kid, I guess. So this is all the stuff I have right now. That one's just dope because I love Forza. That being said, I'm trying to collect full sets and then sell full sets because they actually get more money. Don't mind my disgusting floor, it's old. But I do have this one. I have all of the Porsches from the Porsche set, which is cool. I have 4 different Teslas, 4 different Honda Civic Type Rs, the new ones. And then I have these Highway Exotics. Found these 2 packs, which is awesome. And then that extra one. A couple of old schools. That one's just cool looking. I got both of these, which is dope. Brian O'Connor's car. And I found these things, which are pretty sweet. They're like, I don't know, they're trailers with cars in them, which is cool. And then this thing, this whole pack of cars right here is pretty cool. This is all Fast and Furious stuff. Got some old schools, really old schools. All these are the old Japanese versions of their cars, which is awesome. And then this is obviously from the first movie, all of these. And then I have this one signed by Chad Lindbergh, who actually played Jesse, made out to Slow SUV. So those are pretty cool. And I didn't even know they had these things. These are awesome, in my opinion. Hot Wheels ID. You open it up and it gives you like stats on it. You can see the car, and then underneath it's got like a thing you can scan it. So I found some of these that I thought were pretty cool. Sold a couple of those already. But my girlfriend is actually getting a Hot Wheels car. I got her a Hot Wheels car. But she's super into The Nightmare Before Christmas. So I got her a Jack Skellington, or whatever the guy's name is. I've not seen the movie, so I'm sorry. I'm sure I'll watch it. Anyway, so I got her one of those as a Hot Wheels. And yeah, I'm gonna bang it out. It's gonna be awesome. Make some money, I hope, eventually. But that's besides the point. Hopefully the Jeep gets fixed. This is my life right now. And then if you guys want, I'm kind of debating, because I really don't have a lot of content right now, obviously, just me rambling about things. The loaner I have from the dealership, you guys want me to do like a review on that car, like an honest review? Let me know, because obviously you know I love my Jeep, but I have a 2018 Wrangler Sahara as my loaner car. So if you guys want like an honest review on that car, let me know and I'll make a review video of that one. So I mean, it's at least pumping out some kind of content for you guys, right? So because I don't have my Jeep to make content with right now, so that's where we're at. Or if you want more Hot Wheels stuff, let me know. Or Legos. I don't have a lot, but I do have, if you guys even know what that is. This is from Stranger Things. That's their house, and then that's the Upside Down. I got a lot of other junk down here too I can make videos of if you guys want, so let me know. But that's where we're at today. So hope you guys have an awesome weekend. We'll catch you next time.